Okay, hello everyone. Now we're going to learn how to analyze the data that we get from our questionnaire. You open your math project log. This is going to be the questionnaire if you link the form, the Google form. So from this questionnaire, you can go to from this project log, you can go to the graph questions one on the sheet here, another sheet. Okay, in there, graph and conclusion, there's question one. You can type your questions here. You can just copy and then paste it here. And then for the optional answers, you remember, right? In the questions number one, the optional answer is yes, no, and maybe. So we're going to type it here, yes, no, and maybe. Then we go to the frequency. Let's see the form responses here. The frequency of the one that say yes, there are 6 and then only one say maybe. So we're gonna put it here 6, yes, say yes, and 0 for saying no, and then 1 for saying maybe. Now we're going to insert the graph here. This is a simple thing. You just need to block this part, okay, block this part, okay, and then insert chart, insert the chart, and then you see here, right? For the title, you can just double click on it, and then we put it frequency of students ever joining Gmeet late, for example, like that. Now you can put it there here. You can make it smaller. There you go. Done. Okay. Now the link to the questionnaire results. Okay, I need you to, if there is no responses here, you can just give me the link. You can just go to your Google Classroom, your Google Drive, drive.google.com, and then you find your questionnaire. I'm going to copy this one, and then I'll put it here. I'm pasting it. Now I'm going to find this one, the Google form. Click on it. So we have the responses here. You see the responses? Now in the responses also, there is also the one that look like this. This is like the example of the graph. You can also use this part. Okay. Now you can just copy this part for the link of the responses. Copy and then put it in here. There you go. Oh, this is need to be bigger, so I'm just gonna merge it. There you go. So make sure to have it here. Next, for the questions too, you copy again the questions and then put it in here. And then for the optional answers, you can go to the questionnaire before. Is that there is rarely, sometimes, mostly. Okay, so this is going to be, just go to the responses. Okay, this is the choices is there is 1, 2, 3, right? Since there's the choices is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna put here 1, which is rarely. This is going to be often. This is going to be sometimes. Then the frequency, how many? You can just go here. There is 2, say 1, 2, 3, say 2, and 2, say 3. Okay, just gonna put it here. So 2, 3, 2. Okay, 2, 3, 2. Now for the graph, we cannot we can just copy this graph like the one that I said. You can just go to your computer, search button, click snipping tools, new snip, and then you can just copy this one here. You can put it here. Paste. There you go. Or if it's you don't want it like this, you can just like the one that we did before. You can block it and then insert chart. There you go. Or this time I'm not gonna use the pie chart. I'm going to use the bar graph. So we can click on it. You can choose the bar graph. And then you can also give like customize titles. The title will be, what is the title? Uh, frequency of student coming late. And then now for the horizontal axis, this is the horizontal. The horizontal will be the frequency, and then the vertical axis will be total of students. Now they see it there, right? Okay, now you can use this one here. So you have it too. This is like there is the percentage here, while this one is the detail information. Okay, now you may try it. Later on, you type the conclusion from the graph. What information that you got from this graph. This is the same thing. You copy it from here and then put it here. Control V and then lock this one and then merge it. Okay, done. Have a nice try.